Coming soon, OpenAI is poised to unveil its next big leap in AI, GPT-5, possibly as early August 2025. GPT-5 is no ordinary upgrade. Rather than a single model, it's described as a multi-model system that integrates OpenAI's O3 reasoning capabilities and the legacy GPT series into one unified architecture. Sources say there will be 3 versions: Main, Mini, and Nano, with the Nano tier available exclusively via API. Expect dramatic improvements in reasoning, coding assistance, long context memory, and multimodal input, text, image, voice, and automated task management, making GPT-5 far more capable than its predecessors. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has teased that GPT-5 is coming soon, recounting how the model answered a difficult question instantly and left him feeling useless next to its abilities. Still, OpenAI hasn't officially confirmed the date. Sources say the release may still shift due to ongoing safety testing and infrastructure readiness. Meanwhile, an open-weight model, similar to O3 Mini, could arrive before the end of July, marking its first open-source model since GPT-2 in 2019. If launched in August, GPT-5 is expected to debut first to premium ChatGPT subscribers before wider public and API rollout. GPT-5 could dramatically change how we interact with AI, more autonomous, task-oriented, and intuitive than ever. The countdown is on. Within just a few weeks, we may see the next era of AI unfold. Stay tuned. This could change everything.